Hey guys, Kevin Smith. Pleasure to be with you here. I just wanted to take a minute and tell you how excited I am. We've been in this industry for over a decade helping people earn income, and very excited about that. And not too often can you be in an industry where leverage is key. We've been with a couple, Mark and Brandy, and you got to find a way to get around their team. They found a way to attract targeted leads through sales funnels, and it's fantastic what they've got going on in this industry where artificial intelligence and the U economy are colliding. It's an explosion that's about to happen. They're connected with a fantastic company, and you got to hear more about it. And I look forward to meeting you along the road. So take care.
Welcome to MLMRC.COM. If you're currently doing a network marketing business and are trying to build a downline, then you've come to the right place. We match up real people seeking home business opportunities with real network marketers like you. We've helped hundreds of network marketers just like you to quickly build their downlines. Now let us help you. We have many registered prospects who are ready to join the right network marketing opportunity like yours. Our goal is to help you build your downline fast, regardless of which network marketing company you're with. Our fully automated recruiting system works with any network marketing company, such as Amway, Herbalife, Mary Kay, Avon, Nu Skin, or any MLM company in which you need to recruit and build a downline. Our automated recruiting system will do all the hard work of finding quality new members to join your downline. Our recruit system will work around the clock to build your downline for you. All you do is sit back, relax, and watch your downline grow. We can help you build your downline fast, easy, and achieve the success you want. On our website, you'll discover how we can help you to immediately add dozens of new members to your team. So please, take a few minutes to review the information on our website, and let's work together to get you all the downline members you want in the next few weeks. Thank you.